Hi and welcome to this week's Flash Friday. This week we have this set of 3 boxes. They're in 3 compartments, 6 compartments and 8 compartments. Now these are brilliant because they're constructed from beech wood. They have an acrylic sliding lid. And they're absolutely ideal for collecting natural resources or organising counters, for numeracy, for colour, for shape, and they're also ideal for using loose parts and other small pieces that children can just collect from home or in the garden. So this Flash Friday, you can have all 3 boxes, the 3 compartment, the 6 and the 8, for just £26.99 plus VAT. Please let us know if you'd like to take up this deal. Okay, thank you.